Hello and welcome to Charleston Car Videos. Today we're at Merchant Chevy looking at this beautiful 2014 Chevy Silverado. Wow, this is a two-wheel drive Silverado, all new body style for 2014. And I just kind of wanted to show you this vehicle today so you can have a little bit closer look at it. Good looking truck, wow, very nice. This one's four-door in size as well, so it's got some really nice features on the interior, plenty of room. You'll notice things like on the fenders there, you know, just the body has kind of been reconstructed a little bit, and then the front end definitely is a major change-up. It's kind of a little more boxed off, if you can kind of get what I'm saying. So anyways, let's keep on looking at this truck. This one does have a set of alloy wheels with BF Goodrich, or actually I apologize here, Goodyear tires, Goodyear Wranglers, with alloy wheels right there for you. Those look like a set of 18-inch alloy wheels. Again, it's four-door in size. I like this color blue, looks really nice on the Silverado. One thing that's kind of neat on this vehicle that they changed around is your side step to get into the back of the truck. Look at this. It's right here. You can just kind of put your foot right there and just get right into the back of the Silverado. So that makes it a little easier for you. Tow package on the back right there. It is a LT. But overall, I mean, I'm really liking the 2014 body style. Very nice. Now, while we're out here right now looking, I want to tell you, if you are out on a car lot right now looking at trucks, you need to take the time to go stand there at that window sticker and take a look around for a minute. You know, basically, it's going to give you some good information here on the bottom left-hand side. Your fuel mileage, like this is getting 23 on the highway, 16 in the city for average combined of 19. Also gives you the engine size, like 5.3 liter, the price, which is around $38,345 equipped the way it is. So for an LT two-wheel drive. Now, one thing that Merchant Chevy does is they sell all new vehicles for $98 over factory invoice. If GM has any rebates or incentive money out there available for you, you'll also be able to take advantage of those savings. And then, have you ever been to a car lot and at the end of the day there, and you're sitting there doing the paperwork, and they're like, okay, sir, you have a dealer admin fee of $4.99 or processing fee or whatever they call them, the administration fee. Well, we don't offer that fee to our clients. It's waived. There is no fee like that. So it's a good time to save some money. Here's the keyless entry. Hit that button, unlock her. Let's go ahead and hop in. So power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, standard. Standard features. Power seats, power lumbar support right there for you. Still has a cloth interior, gray cloth. Plenty of headroom. You could fit a Kima Nashtapulo or whoever you want to fit in here. You could throw them in the truck. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Excuse me, a fly just got in my throat. Okay, now let me tell you, good looking steering wheel. I mean, look how nice and flush the buttons are for your cruise control, and you got your audio and Bluetooth cell phone system right there. The key's still going to go in the vehicle traditionally, right here. Crank her up. Get your high definition screens on the inside, Chevy MyLink, all that good stuff on the LT model. It'll also display your radio stations right up on that screen there for the multi-information display. Bruno Mars is rocking out today. And then you got a home screen button here that you can press, and it's kind of like a smartphone device with your apps and things, Pandora radio, settings, nav, all that good stuff. Dual climate control. You can change temperature on either side of the vehicle. Very nice. But the new setup here on the display here looks really good. High definition. I mean, just really nice. Also touch screen. Presets down there for radio. All that good stuff. I'm really liking it. Looks good. You got the temperature up here on the top left. The clock right there on the top right. Compass. I mean, and it really set up nicely. I mean, just barely tap that screen there and it pulls up whatever you need to know. A phone, so if you got a Bluetooth cell phone, you can just go ahead and pair up the device like so. Contacts, recent, keypad, all that good stuff right there at your fingertips, so you can touch and just get in the car and do what you have to do. So really cool. And again, media is like auxiliary ports, USBs, you know, smartphone devices. You know, you can basically link up your phone or your iPod and really just have a good time driving down the road. A lot of room as well. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Again, 2014 Silverado, looking really nice today. Good space inside the truck. A lot of leg room in the back. It's a little bit longer now. So really, this is just the way to go. If you're looking for a truck, and it's got a really good sound to it. Listen when I close this door. Nice solid sound. You know it's going to be strong when you're out on the road doing what you have to do. Thank you for watching this video with me. My name's Chad with Charleston Car Videos. I've been out here at Marchant Chevrolet for many years now shooting videos. And we do thank you for watching and subscribing to us on youtube.com for Charleston Car Videos. We just hit 1.2 million views in less than 2 years' time. Let me tell you, we're thankful for that. Thank you for subscribing. We'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up. Later.